Hey, I am telling you how to secure your laptop and PC using password. So come here in search field and click when it is open, search here setting option and click enter. When you come on this page, here are many options. Click here account option and click, and inside bar search sign in option and click enter. When you click enter, you come on this screen and search password and click on this and click this button to for set password. It is that screen where you apply password. It has basically three options: first password, and second confirm password, and third is password hint. So you can apply here, and when you need to change password, you come on the same screen and change password. So it is very simple to set password and change password. Both have same procedure and step. If this video is helpful for you, so click the video like button and subscribe the channel.